Okay, my friends, today I want to explain shortly about what is legend. Legend is basically a story that is fiction and happened in the past time or in the past decades or past periods. Usually, it used certain sentences. It used past tense in its words. It also used certain verbs, and its verbs use the past tense to form a sentence that are very typical for what a legend is. You can look for its formula, and it used past tense as what I have said ago. Maybe that's what I could explain.
That's all.
What I could explain about legend. Thank you very much for your attention.
Okay, maybe your friend want to ask. You give chance your friend to ask.
What do you want to ask? Do you want to ask anything about legend? Maybe if my explanation isn't that clear or what?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Can you give us a simple example of legend?
Okay. There's actually a lot of examples of legend. In Indonesia, we have a bunch of it, such as Tangkuban Perahu, or the formation of Lake Toba, Sangkuriang, if you know Sangkuriang, and any other legends. Malin Kundang also one
Included,
of the most
yes,
famous
that's right.
legends in Indonesia, also in Malaysia and other Southeast Asian countries. Are there any other questions? Okay, you may ask.
What is the generic structure of legend?
Is there any structure of legend? Of course. Basically, the structure of a legend text consists of orientation, and then the problems or the climax, and then the resolution.
Resolution.
Do you
That's right.
understand?
Okay, is enough?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I will explain to you what is legend. Legend is part of narrative text. Legend is a mostly fictional text that happened in the past time. Mostly is modified from folk story. So, the generic structure of narrative text is what? Is orientation, complication, and resolution.
complication,
And sometimes
resolution.
there is coda at the end of the story.
Yes.
I think that's all I can explain. Syukran. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This is the one of your friend give you explain relate to legend. Maybe any question?
Maybe any question?
Okay, any question? Ask. You
Is there
may
any
ask your
question?
friend. Any question?
You don't have any questions?
Okay.
It's moral.
Prepare. Farouk, any question? Based on what your friend explain you relate to legend, maybe you don't understand, you may ask him. Never mind. Please ask. Please ask. You have any question? No. You must, before you are going to play that, you may ask your friend. What?
What the generic structure?
Oh, generic
Of,
abstract of
legend.
Okay, what the generic abstract?
Alright, let me explain to you. Legend has a generic structure, which is orientation, the basic part of the story, complication, the start of the problem, and reorientation and resolution when the problem has solved. And most legend story has coda at the end of the story.
At the end
Coda
of
is a moral story that can be picked from the story.
Masya
Is that clear?
Okay, I think it's very clear. Is it clear? Is it? Okay. We
Very clear.
Okay.
Enough.
Any others want to ask? Any other?
Enough. Yeah. Just
Okay, enough. Enough.
enough.
Is that enough?
Okay, enough.
Enough. I think it's very clear.
Okay, very clear. Oh, you want to ask?
What do you say resolution?
Oh my
Resolution is the part at the end of the story which is the main character solve the problem that he faced. Clear? Yes.
Masya. It's right. Okay, it's right.
Very well.
Okay.
Is that all? Any questions?
Okay, I think enough. Okay, thank you for your time to explain your plan. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so I'm standing here in front of you all because I want to explain to you guys what is legend. I will explain to you about legend. What is legend?
What is it like of legend? It's right. It's right.
Legend is a story that happened in the past, and sometimes it including magic.
Masya Allah.
It's usually the legend. The legend is using the second form of verb,
It's right.
and it has some structures in it. The first structure is an orientation.
Orientation.
The orientation
Right.
is the first structure of the text legend.
Legend text.
The legend text. And the orientation should answer the question of who is the main character, what is the role of the character, and it should answer the question of when and where the story is happened.
Okay.
And the second structure is complication. Complication is the part where the main character got so many problems that he has to solve it. Face it. Yeah. And the third structure is the resolution. Resolution is the part where the main character success to solve the problem. And the last part of the structure is coda. It is not a must of the structure. Sometimes there is a coda and sometimes there is not a coda. So that's all of me.
Any question?
And maybe you have a question.
Yes. No. I want to ask. Can you give us an example of legend?
Okay, example.
From maybe Indonesia or Asia. Any country.
Give example one of the legend you mean.
Yes.
Okay. Like what is it like? Okay.
Just tell the
Tell.
Okay, so
title.
if you ask me about legend, we in the world have so many legends. And in Indonesia itself, it has so many legends.
Example.
One of the legends that I know is the legend of Sangkuriang.
It's right. Masya Allah.
It's so good legend, and there is also a legend called Tangkuban Perahu.
Tangkuban Perahu.
It's so good, man.
It's
You
so
have
good.
to hear
Wait,
it.
you have to listen.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Any other question?
Any other? Leave it. You have the other one? The other one? Do you have any question? If you have any question? Enough.
Okay. I think you have no more question to me. That's all me. I will tutup with
Stop.
I will stop it with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.